Hello everyone, this is Mankirat Kaur. Welcome to my channel MKTuber. I'm back again with a new tutorial video. So in this video, I will be sharing with you a tutorial on the app called as Minimalist. Minimalist help us to be productive and have a to-do list. This app me to provide me a to-do list. So let us start with the tutorial and I will be sharing with you some of the functions of this app, and if you want to download this app, just check out the link in the description box. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, here you can see I'm having here two apps, and I have maintained a folder also for my productivity. I have written as to-do list. So I'm going to tell you first of all in the video this first app. You can see that these two apps are similar, but the functions are not similar. Only the name is similar. I will be sharing with you first of all the functions of this first app, and then in the next video I will be sharing with you a difference, or what is the difference between these two apps and what is the functions of this second one, Minimalist. So let's get started. So when you will download this app, you will be first of all getting an option to allow Minimalist to access this device location. So I always click on only this time, so that if I do not want to access the location on in a particular time, so that I can just decline it. When you will just download this app, after clicking on this option, you will get an option for blank screen. So you can see that there is a blank screen. Here I have got some of these three works as I have written, but if you have downloaded it newly, then you will get a blank white screen. So if you want to add your to-do list, just swipe down and just write down what you want to complete. If I want to complete back exercise of chapter 5 of social science history. So here you can see that I have written my task, and after completing this task, means writing this task, just click on this tick button. Then after this it will be added. So next function is that if you will click on the particular task, you will be able to see this one option. This is an option for the timer. If you want to complete a particular task in a given time, you will be able to see this option also. Just tap on the task which you want to complete in the time and then start. If you want to change the setting of this given time, like here I'm having 30 minutes timer, but I have to change this to 45 minutes timer, just click on the settings button. When you will click on this, you will get many options. So here I'm going to change the 30 minute to 45 minute. The maximum minute is 500 minutes. So you can set the timer till 500 minutes. Okay. So next function is the short rest, means after completing the work, if you want to set a timer for a short rest, then you can set this option. I'm going to click 5 minutes here. Next is long rest, means if you want to access you that to take if you want to access you to take long rest, then you can click on this option. If you want to enable this, just click on this and it will be black colored. Next is the option long rest time, means if you want to take a long rest, then the timer you can select. If I want 25 minutes, then it will be select. Yeah. नेक्स्ट इज़ लॉन्ग रेस्ट इंटरवल, मतलब कि अगर आपको ब्रेक लेनी है, मतलब कि अगर आपको एक ब्रेक लेनी है, जो आपका जो लॉन्ग रेस्ट चल रहा है उसका अगर आपको एक इंटरवल लेना है, देन यू कैन सेट दिस ऑप्शन. आई एम गोइंग टू क्लिक एट 10. Next is auto mode. and strict mode. If you want to access this, you can access. I always click on this strict mode because if I'm lazy at doing that particular work which I have written in my to-do list, then it will be strict. It will giving an options and instructions and notifications for the doing work. So I always enable it. It is your wish that if you want to disable it or enable it. And if you want to start with this, you can just click on start. If you have already done it before times goes up, then you can just click on done. If I completed this, then click on completed. So if you will click on that task, it will be asking that you have done. Now let us move on to the next function, which is the last function of this app. Now if I want to just set music for this particular task, means when I'm doing this task, I want to play a music, then you can click on this music 1 icon. When you will click on this, you will get different options. If you want to silent it, means you do not want any noise, then you can click on silent. Or if you want to make a noise, means a noise or a sound, then you can choose whether tick, whether forests, whether water, or whether fire. You can see the sound. You see that so many options are there. So you can choose this according to your wish. So my dear friends, this was all about my video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and also subscribe my channel MKTuber. And if you want to download this app, just click on the link in the description box. It is free. So I'll meet you in the next video. I'm Ankirat signing off. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.